Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, the podcast where we dive deep into the latest AI trends. Join us as we explore groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From ChatGPT to the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind, we will keep you updated on the ever-evolving AI landscape. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of AI with us. In today's episode, we'll cover the 80/20th rule for optimizing business operations, how MetaGPT improves multi-agent collaboration, potential regulation of AI-generated deepfakes in political ads, advancements in ChatGPT and other AI applications, recent updates and developments from Spotify, Patreon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Chinese internet giants, and the availability of hyper-realistic AI voices, and the book AI Unraveled by Etienne Newman. Sure, the 80/20th rule can be a game changer when it comes to analyzing your e-commerce business. By identifying which 20% of your products are generating 80% of your sales, you can focus your efforts and resources on those specific products. This means allocating more inventory, marketing, and customer support towards them. By doing so, you can maximize your profitability and overall success. Similarly, understanding which 20% of your marketing efforts are driving 80% of your traffic is crucial. This way, you can prioritize those marketing channels that are bringing the most traffic to your website. You might discover that certain social media platforms or advertising campaigns are particularly effective. By narrowing your focus, you can optimize your marketing budget and efforts to yield the best results. In terms of operations, consider streamlining processes related to your top-performing products and marketing channels. Look for ways to improve efficiency and reduce costs without sacrificing quality. Automating certain tasks, outsourcing non-core activities, or renegotiating supplier contracts might be worth exploring. Remember, embracing the 80/20 rule with tools like ChatGPT allows you to make data-driven decisions and concentrate on what really matters. So dive into your sales and marketing data, identify the key contributors, and optimize your business accordingly. Good luck. So let's talk about MetaGPT and how it's tackling LLM hallucination. MetaGPT is a new framework that aims to improve multi-agent collaboration by incorporating human workflows and domain expertise. One of the main issues it addresses is hallucination in LLMs, which are language models that tend to generate incorrect or nonsensical responses. To combat this problem, MetaGPT encodes standardized operating procedures, SOPs, into prompts, effectively providing a structured coordination mechanism. This means that it includes specific guidelines and instructions to guide the response generation process. But that's not all. MetaGPT also ensures modular outputs, which allows different agents to validate the generated outputs and minimize errors. By assigning diverse roles to agents, the framework effectively breaks down complex problems into more manageable parts. So why is all of this important? Well, experiments on collaborative software engineering benchmarks have shown that MetaGPT outperforms chat-based multi-agent systems in terms of generating more coherent and correct solutions. By integrating human knowledge and expertise into multi-agent systems, MetaGPT opens up new possibilities for tackling real-world challenges. With MetaGPT, we can expect enhanced collaboration, reduced errors, and more reliable outcomes. It's exciting to see how this framework is pushing the boundaries of multi-agent systems and taking us one step closer to solving real-world problems. Have you heard about the potential regulation of AI-generated deepfakes in political ads? The Federal Election Commission, FEC, is taking steps to protect voters from election disinformation by considering rules for AI ads before the 2024 election. This is in response to a petition calling for regulation to prevent misrepresentation in political ads using AI technology. Interestingly, some campaigns like Florida GOP Governor Ron DeSantis's have already started using AI in their advertisements. So, the FEC's decision on regulation is a significant development for the upcoming elections. However, it's important to note that the FEC will make a decision on rules only after a 60-day public comment window, which will likely start next week. While regulation could impose guidelines for disclaimers, it may not cover all the threats related to deepfakes from individual social media users. The potential use of AI in misleading political ads is a pressing issue with elections on the horizon. The fact that the FEC is considering regulation indicates an understanding of the possible risks, but implementing effective rules will be the real challenge. In a world where seeing is no longer believing, ensuring truth in political advertising becomes crucial. In other news, the White House recently launched a hacking challenge focused on AI cybersecurity. With a generous prize pool of $20 million, the competition aims to incentivize the development of AI systems for protecting critical infrastructure from cyber risks. Teams will compete to secure vital software systems, with up to 20 teams advancing from qualifiers to win $2 million each at DEFCON 2024. Finalists will also have a chance at more prizes, including a $4 million top prize at DEFCON 2025. What's interesting about this challenge is that competitors are required to open source their AI systems for widespread use. This collaboration not only involves AI leaders like Anthropic, Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI, but also aims to push the boundaries of AI in national cyber defense. Similar government hacking contests have been conducted in the past, such as the 2014 DARPA Cyber Grand Challenge. These competitions have proven to be effective in driving innovation through competition and incentivizing advancements in automated cybersecurity. With the ever-evolving cyber threats, utilizing AI to stay ahead in defense becomes increasingly important. The hope is that AI can provide a powerful tool to protect critical infrastructure from sophisticated hackers and ensure the safety of government systems. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT are revolutionizing the way workers make money. By automating time-consuming tasks and creating new income streams and full-time jobs, these AI tools are empowering workers to increase their earnings. It's truly amazing how technology is transforming the workplace. In other news, Universal Music Group and Google have teamed up for an exciting project involving AI song licensing. They are negotiating to license artists' voices and melodies for AI-generated songs. Warner Music is also joining in on the collaboration. While this move could be lucrative for record labels, it poses challenges for artists who want to protect their voices from being cloned by AI. It's a complex situation with both benefits and concerns. AI is even playing a role in reducing the climate impact of airlines. Contrails, those long white lines you see in the sky behind airplanes, actually trap heat in Earth's atmosphere, causing a net warming effect. But pilots at American Airlines are now using Google's AI predictions and Breakthrough Energy's models to select altitudes that are less likely to produce contrails. After conducting 70 test flights, they have observed a remarkable 54% reduction in contrails. This shows that commercial flights have the potential to significantly lessen their environmental impact. Anthropic has released an updated version of its popular model, Claude Instant. Known for its speed and affordability, Claude Instant 1.2 can handle various tasks such as casual dialogue, text analysis, summarization, and document comprehension. The new version incorporates the strengths of Claude 2 and demonstrates significant improvements in areas like math, coding, and reasoning. It generates longer and more coherent responses, follows formatting instructions better, and even enhances safety by hallucinating less and resisting jailbreaks. This is an exciting development that brings Anthropic closer to challenging the supremacy of ChatGPT. Google has also delved into the intriguing question of whether language models, LLMs, generalize or simply memorize information. While LLMs seem to possess a deep understanding of the world, there is a possibility that they are merely regurgitating memorized bits from their extensive training data. Google conducted research on the training dynamics of a small model and reverse-engineered its solution, shedding light on the increasingly fascinating field of mechanistic interpretability. The findings suggest that LLMs initially generalize well, but then start to rely more on memorization. This research opens the door to a better understanding of the dynamics behind model behavior, particularly with regards to memorization and generalization. In conclusion, AI tools like ChatGPT are empowering workers to earn more. Universal Music and Google are exploring a new realm of AI song licensing. AI is helping airlines reduce their climate impact. Anthropic has launched an improved model with enhanced capabilities and safety, and Google's research on LLMs deepens our understanding of their behavior. It's an exciting time for AI and its diverse applications. Hey, let's dive into today's AI news. First up, we have some exciting news for podcasters. Spotify and Patreon have integrated, which means that Patreon-exclusive audio content can now be accessed on Spotify. This move is a win-win for both platforms. It allows podcasters on Patreon to reach a wider audience through Spotify's massive user base while circumventing Spotify's aversion to RSS feeds. In some book-related news, there have been reports of AI-generated books falsely attributed to Jane Friedman appearing on Amazon and Goodreads. This has sparked concerns over copyright infringement and the verification of author identities. It's a reminder that as AI continues to advance, we need to ensure that there are robust systems in place to authenticate content. Google has been pondering an intriguing question. Do machine learning models memorize or generalize? Their research delves into a concept called grokking to understand how models truly learn, and if they're not just regurgitating information from their training data. It's fascinating to explore the inner workings of AI models and uncover their true understanding of the world. IBM is making moves in the AI space by planning to make Meta's Llama 2 available within its Watsonx. This means that the Llama 2 Chat 70B model will be hosted in the Watson Saudi AI studio, with select clients and partners gaining early access. This collaboration aligns with IBM's strategy of offering a blend of third-party and proprietary AI models, showing their commitment to open innovation. Amazon is also leveraging AI technology by testing a tool that helps sellers craft product descriptions. By integrating language models into their e-commerce business, Amazon aims to enhance and streamline the product listing process. This is just one example of how AI is revolutionizing various aspects of our daily lives. Switching gears to Microsoft, they have partnered with Aptos blockchain to bring together AI and Web3. This collaboration enables Microsoft's AI models to be trained using verified blockchain information from Aptos. By leveraging the power of blockchain, they aim to enhance the accuracy and reliability of their AI models. OpenAI has made an update for ChatGPT users on the free plan. They now offer custom instructions, allowing users to tailor their interactions with the AI model. However, it's important to note that this update is not currently available in the EU and UK, but it will be rolling out soon. Google's Arts and Culture app has undergone a redesign with exciting AI-based features. Users can now delight their friends by sending AI-generated postcards through the Poem Postcards feature. The app also introduces a new Play tab, an Inspire feed akin to TikTok, and other cool features. It's great to see AI integrating into the world of arts and culture. In the realm of space, a new AI algorithm called HelioLink 3D has made a significant discovery. It detected a potentially hazardous asteroid that had gone unnoticed by human observers. This reinforces the value of AI in assisting with astronomical discoveries and monitoring potentially threatening space objects. Lastly, DARPA has issued a call to top computer scientists, AI experts, and software developers to participate in the AI Cyber Challenge, AIXCC. This 2-year competition aims to drive innovation at the intersection of AI and cybersecurity to develop advanced cybersecurity tools. It's an exciting opportunity to push the boundaries of AI and strengthen our defenses against cyber threats. That wraps up today's AI news. Stay tuned for more updates and innovations in the exciting field of artificial intelligence. So, here's the scoop on what's been happening in the AI world lately. Apple is really putting in the effort when it comes to AI development. They've gone ahead and ordered servers from Foxconn Industrial Internet, a division of their supplier Foxconn. These servers are specifically for testing and training Apple's AI services. It's no secret that Apple has been focused on AI for quite some time now, even though they don't currently have an external app like ChatGPT. Word is, Foxconn's division already supplies servers to other big players like ChatGPT, OpenAI, NVIDIA, and Amazon Web Services. Looks like Apple wants to get in on the AI chatbot market action. And then we have Midjourney, who's making some moves of their own. They're upgrading their GPU cluster, which means their Pro and Mega users can expect some serious speed boosts. Render times could decrease from around 50 seconds to just 30 seconds. Plus, the good news is that these renders might also end up being 1.5 times cheaper. On top of that, Midjourney is planning to release V5 soon, possibly next week. This update will bring cool features like in-painting and a fresh new style. It might be exclusive to desktop, so keep an eye out for that. Meanwhile, Microsoft is flexing its muscles by introducing new tools for frontline workers. They've come up with Copilot, which uses generative AI to supercharge the efficiency of service pros. Microsoft acknowledges the massive size of the frontline workforce, estimating it to be a staggering 2.7 billion worldwide. These new tools and integrations are all about supporting these workers and tackling the labor challenges faced by businesses. Way to go, Microsoft. Now let's talk about Google, the folks who always seem to have something up their sleeve. They're jazzing up their Gboard keyboard with AI-powered features. How cool is that? With their latest update, users can expect AI emojis, proofreading assistance, and even a drag mode that lets you resize the keyboard to your liking. It's all about making your typing experience more enjoyable. These updates were spotted in the beta version of Gboard. Over in China, the internet giants are making waves by investing big bucks in NVIDIA chips. Baidu, TikTok owner ByteDance, Tencent, and Alibaba have reportedly ordered a whopping $5 billion worth of these chips. Why, you ask? Well, they're essential for building generative AI systems, and China is dead set on becoming a global leader in AI technology. The chips are expected to land this year, so it won't be long until we see the fruits of their labor. Last but not least, TikTok is stepping up its game when it comes to AI-generated content. They're planning to introduce a toggle that allows creators to label their content as AI-generated. The goal is to prevent unnecessary content removal and promote transparency. Nice move, TikTok. And that's a wrap on all the AI news for now. Exciting things are happening, and we can't wait to see what the future holds in this ever-evolving field. Hey there, AI Unraveled podcast listeners. Are you ready to delve deeper into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. The essential book, AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence, is now out and available for you to grab. Authored by the brilliant Etienne Newman, this book is a must-have for anyone curious about AI. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or simply someone who wants to understand the ins and outs of artificial intelligence, this book has got you covered. So, where can you get your hands on this enlightening read? Well, you're in luck. You can find AI Unraveled at popular platforms like Shopify, Apple, Google, or even Amazon. Just head on over to their websites or use the link AMZN to /44 Y5U3Y to access this treasure trove of AI knowledge. But wait, there's more. Wondercraft AI, the amazing platform that powers your favorite podcast, has a special treat for you. If you've been thinking about launching your own podcast, they've got you covered. With Wondercraft AI, you can use hyper-realistic AI voices as your podcast host, just like me. And guess what? You can enjoy a whopping 50% discount on your first month with the code AIUnraveled50. So what are you waiting for? Dive into AI Unraveled and unravel the mysteries of artificial intelligence today. Thanks for joining us on today's episode, where we discussed the 80/20th rule for optimizing business operations with ChatGPT, how MetaGPT improves multi-agent collaboration, the regulation of AI-generated deepfakes in political ads, and the AI hacking challenge for cybersecurity, the various applications of AI such as automating tasks, generating music, reducing climate impact, enhancing model safety, and advancing research. The latest updates from tech giants like Spotify, Google, IBM, Microsoft, and Amazon, Apple's plans to enter the AI chatbot market, and the availability of hyper-realistic AI voices, and the book AI Unraveled by Etienne Newman. Thanks for listening. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.